So what size engine is this?
Straight 6.
All you have to do is light that up. That's the VECI decal. That has all the engine information on it. So what size is it, Dan?
OBD2. It doesn't say.
What does it say down here?
EVAP.
Look at that number.
Group
See where it says
DBMX.
group?
Yeah.
3.0.
Oh, N55. N55.
N55.
So
Look down there. You see where it says group?
uh-huh.
You see the number 3.0?
Yeah.
That's it.
Oh,
that's
so
a
it's 3
3.0.
liter.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's a 3 liter.
So this is an N55. Good to know.
On any car, all you have to do, unfortunately, every manufacturer takes this and sticks it somewhere else. Some of them are here, some of them are there, some of them are there, some of them are here, some are on the air cleaner. They're all over the place. But if you find that sticker, that should have all your...
Bro, the graph told us. The graph told us this in the beginning. What? What's it called? Yeah, the dipstick's under the fucking car.
I need my glasses.
Yeah.
This is why I don't like this German shit. The fuck this German. We can't fuck with the German.
The cameraman now? Yeah. Yeah. Nah, I don't think that's German, but yeah. Okay, there we go.
Head off Hitler.
What is that? The brake fluid?
The brake booster. Those fucking stop.
Why is it split?
Why the what?
Oh no!
Not the brake booster. That's just the brake.
I gotta practice on the drum.
No, you're a cameraman right now.
The boosters
I
are
know,
there.
right?
That's just the tank.
Talking, y'all.
We vlogging.
I'm one of those cameramen who's gonna show himself.
It looks like the
This? Yeah, you're right.
Why are you looking?
So that's the.
Fuck
They
you.
got 4 lines coming off. There's a control. That's something.
That's a great question.
That's a good question.
Nah, word.
Yeah, you're right.
They be hiding everything.
Shout out to the Americans. Hoorah.
Oh, yeah. Right.
Oh, look, it's twin turbo, y'all.
Yeah, we looked at.
Honestly,
I don't remember.
I don't remember.
I was going one day trying to go outside.
usually I don't touch BMW. I don't know. You probably gotta take all this shit off.
Yeah, that's why.
Oh my god, that shit is hard. What in the?
That shit just comes. That shit comes right on.
We're gonna put that back on. That's fucking disgusting.
Hold on.
Yo, whose Beamer is this? State your name.
State your name.
Yo,
That shit back on.
bro, move your big ass back.
Really, that shit's not on.
Fucking dirty ass Beamer, bro.
Nice.
You're right. That's my fault. If you have nothing nice to say, walk away from the situation. Let me go check out what these guys are doing. I have the camera now. Oh, you're going back inside? What y'all doing? Bleeding it? Y'all bleeding it? I got the camera now.
Why is he reading?
Yeah.
Don't record a poll.
I'm not lying. Nah, I'm already knowing, bro. I feel like when he be in the car, he be like, he be 3 or 4 in.
This and that. If that master cylinder was leaking, you'd never see it. The only way you'd be able to tell is to unbolt the master cylinder, pull it forward, and then you can see. Now, imagine if you can, as a matter of fact, do me a favor, Lewis, when you get a chance, since you got this car punched in already, how much time does it take to replace the brake booster?
How much time do it take?
Look at where this bastard is. There is abso-fucking-lutely no room here. This would have to come out. If you notice, this is separate. That plastic separates right there. You have to take this whole fucking thing out and this you'd have to take the whole bloody thing out. Then the master, you'd have to unbolt that. That's one of the junction boxes for the battery. All this shit's got to come out of the way just to get to that thing. Lewis is going to look up how long it takes. I'll bet you that's a 4 or 5 hour drive.
Fuck BMW.
What's that?
The
Where's the what?
dipsticks? I just told you the dipsticks under the car.
You have to go. You have to pick.
You have to pick the car up.
No. Wait a minute. What are you talking about? The oil dipstick?
Pretty sure, yeah.
Yeah. The oil dipstick on this. Hang on one sec. I want to see. Just shine your light over here for a minute.
Oh, in this dirty section?
Here's our oil filter housing, oil cooler. Yeah, you can take that over.
It's not gonna look pretty.
I know it don't move. I don't give a shit. So on this one,
I don't fucking know.
I don't see any dipstick. This may be an electronic level. You may have to actually check the oil level with the scanner or in the car.
You gonna touch it?
Now there wouldn't be an oil. Nah. Usually we put them right up front here.
Okay. It's just some dirty ass phone.
I think bro might need a new tension.
No, that's normal.
I think somebody.
You know why? Look.
I think somebody should.
Well, nah, word. That's just take it off, bro. You probably making your car fucking
You had
hot.
a clutch in the front so you can turn it. Normally that front piece would be standing still. He's got defrost on or something like that. And that's why the belt's jumping. Yeah, so your alternator, your booster, your reservoir for the cooling system. These hoses actually they don't have a clamp, they have a clip. They have to be pulled off. There's no ring under there, one of their fucking pain in the ass. Everything on a BMW is a pain in the ass. Yeah,
The job it would take
so
to change what?
So the oil fill, in order to check the oil level, it's either in the car.
This?
Do it bigger. Do me a favor. See that little plastic cap right there?
Yeah, what
Pull
about
that
it?
open.
Pull it open?
Yep, pull it open. That's a battery wire. All right, you can close it up. Yeah. So the batteries, they got juice coming from over there going to the jump.
What's up?
The fuse box over here.
Huh? Yeah, here you go.
It sounded like he was dying.
I'm not gonna lie.
I'm sorry. Jesus Christ. That's twin turbo power, bro. Stop. I don't know if we're gonna put this back or.
So, just to let you know, Louis.
Yeah, you could just leave it.
Louis looked up the brake booster on this. You see how compact it is back there, right? They give you 4 hours to replace the booster. 4 hours. 4 hours to replace the booster. So that thing's tucked in there nice and tight. So we've got 2 codes in there why the brake light, the ABS, the brake light, and traction light are on. And the codes that are in there are for the 2 brake sensors. It says rear brake sensor, front brake sensor, replace brakes. The car thinks that the brake pads are worn out. And what happened was when Yoda bought the parts for her car, she got the calipers, she got the
Yes, because the
pads,
dirt was on
and the
top
sensors.
like this, so it's this.
The old sensors are fucked.
Fire. Good job.
Yeah, don't go nose it back in.
Fuck. 3, 2, 1, go. Sing for us, bro. Right, sing for us. Damn. 20 seconds.
Someone told me something.
So that's stop on this assembly or keep going?
This assembly is how long? What? 48.64?
Yeah, you got 40. So like a minute, less than a minute. So how you do the lap shit? So I can start it over.
Oh, you want to start it again?
Yeah, so you know like.
So it lapped it right there, now you can just press reset. But it
Oh,
erases the
alright.
lap.
So you gonna put it back? Yeah, I got you. Ready, set, move. I'm out of here.
Bro, why is it not? Fuck my dick.
That's the worst. That's the hardest part in my
Why is this
opinion.
shit not doing it?
The adjuster.
Yo.
You done? You finished?
See it clicks.
Yeah, I
Hey,
finished.
what
5
the time?
minutes.
5 minutes? Good shit.
Yeah, you see,
Someone like Memphis.
Huh?
Someone Memphis.
Yeah. But at least you got it back
Yeah, at
together.
least it's on.
A minute 12. Use that one. Damn, they got all the tools. That he just blew it up. I'm snitching.
that guy in the back.
This shit is so good. Drum brakes, it disadjusted itself.
Oh, the humidity is there. So 5 minutes for the jump ring? Yo, pause the
2 minutes.
Hold on. Pause it. Where's the cup?
Grab it.
Where's the cup? Where's the cup?
The cup?
Where's the cup? What the fuck? Lost the fuck.
Oh shit. Found it?
Hold on.
Alright.
Whatever you want to start.
Yeah. Let's go.
You push that button?
Stop fucking yelling in my ear.
Hurry up. You fucking his time up.
You sound like my dad right now.
Hey yo, bro, why you screaming for, bro? Once you put the adjuster in, you're in. Click it once, so I'm gonna stop it on your first click.
You know vacation was here though, right? You know vacation was here.
I wasn't here.
You was on vacation, but he was here.
I wasn't here.
You wasn't here at all? Exactly.
I was in PA.
Yo, bro, stop playing. Yo, bro, stop playing. Stop playing.
Nah, you're a shitter, bro.
Stop playing.
You a shitter for real.
Yo, look my grades. Yo, I can see what's happening. Also, here we got an 8.
Yo, also, Gero got 0.
Yo, who got 9?
Okay, I'm gonna give it to you.
I can't click it with my hand.
Yeah, but it's done pretty much. So like 3 minutes. Yo, bro,
We can get that.
this is his time.
337. I got 5.
Imagine you got 335. That'd have been fire.
Bro, one of the springs was fucking me up, and I got 11 minutes.
I don't think the spring is broken.
Took your phone. What? Yeah, you are.
48 to take it off. 3 minutes 37 to put it back together.
Beautiful.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
We can't even keep the drill